All right, friends, so you just did capital C, so now we're going to do lowercase c. Just like capital C, it's just one curved line. This is more like a ball, and remember, it's kind of like a cookie, and we took a bite out of it. So let's trace on the dotted line for lowercase c. We're going to start here and go around to make our ball, but remember, it has a bite out of the cookie. Trace on that dotted line for lowercase c. See that he stays in the downstairs. We're not going in the upstairs. Now let's trace row number 2. Make your ball, but take a bite out of the cookie. Almost like we're making a circle, but we don't connect all the dots. Take your time, it's okay. If you make a mistake, your lines need to be on the dotted lines. All right, now we're gonna practice writing it on our own. So let's trace to remember, lowercase c. We're gonna come right here and we're gonna drop down and we are going to write it ourselves. Same thing. See how I have spaces? Make a ball, but take a bite out of the cookie. You should have the same number as me. You should have 6 that you wrote on your own and 1 that you traced. I don't want to see more. I don't want to see less. When you're caught up with me, let's do it again. Trace this C to remember. Then we're going to drop down right here, write our own little c. We're going to do it 6 times. Then we are going to trace the word cat and write it 3 times on the line. So let's trace it. We have C, A, and T. C, A, T. 2 more times. C, A, T. And 1 more time. C, A, T. Cat. Then we're going to trace the word cool and write it 2 times on the line. Let's trace it. C, O, O, L. C, O, O, L. 1 more time. C, O, O, L. Then we're going to do the word back. B, A, C, K. Let's write it 2 times. B, A, C, K. And last time, B, A, C, K. If you need to pause the video, feel free to do that. Take your time. Make sure you have your spaces. Make sure that lowercase c is always in the downstairs. Make sure that you wrote your words next to it, just like mine. If I wrote it 3 times, you write it 3 times. If I wrote it 2 times, you write it 2 times. When you're finished, take a picture of this and submit it on Canvas.